Penguins by Lane. Did you know penguins have bulbs on their tongue and throat? Fourth graders researched penguins in January at school. I think penguins are interesting. Penguins are meat eaters. They eat fish, krill, and squid. Follow penguins spit food into a chick's mouth. Follow emperor penguins make a kind of milk full of babies when they hatch. Penguins have many predators: seabirds, sea eagles, petrels, scupa, gulls, sea snakes, killer whales, islands where people live, snakes, foxes, dogs, cats, walruses, and rats eat penguins. Sea lions, sharks. Penguins are in danger of oil spill and overfish. Penguins purpose out of the water. Penguins are black and white birds. They have feathers. One layer is soft and warm. The other layer is oily and stiff and waterproof. There are many kinds of penguins: the Galapagos, fairy, white flipper, snares, yellow-eyed, chinstrap, white-couple, king, Adelie, black-footed, emperor, gentoo, Humboldt, macaroni, and Magellanic. A group of baby chicks is called a kindergarten. Penguins can't fly because they have solid bones. Penguins are not afraid of people. When penguins slide on their belly, it's called tobogganing. Baby penguins sing so their parents can't find them. Penguins have bulbs on their tongue and throat. Penguins have bulbs on their tongue and throat so fish don't get out of their beaks. This winter, fourth graders researched penguins. I think penguins are interesting.